all I got. Yeah, I made money, my
Please come down in your groups as well.
What fools? Out here.
Right, guys, keep to the right.
Feels good. I'm not gonna lie, this feels really good. Oh god. It's comfy.
Like a rocking chair.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. I wanna sit here. Obviously, you wanna sit here.
Yeah, I'll sit here.
Okay.
If you're a cigarette smoker, our smoking area is located there at the back. If you want to not smoke, just ask me and I'll take you there. We do have drinks also on board, guys. Cool drinks, juice, water. If you want, just ask me. I'll sort you guys out. In the unlikely event of an emergency also, the children's life jackets are on this side, the adults are on this side. We never used them before, but we just inform you so you can feel more secure about the ride. Other than that, just call me for assistance and thank you for today. Thank you. Thank you. Can I get you guys anything? Juice. Coming out.
There we go.
Feels like my underwater. What more can I need? Me summer. Way. When the sky closes, miles around. Oh, na 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 na. Nothing gonna bring me down. Oh no. My head to the beach, don't give me trouble. Na na na. You never take a chance, you'll never know. Don't wait till it's too late. Why would you wanna have it any other way? I shouldn't have to say. Once you see the sun, that you'll wanna stay. You'll wanna stay. My head is underwater. What more can I say? Take the dark away and give me summer. Not another day. When the sky goes miles wait till it's too late. I shouldn't have to say it. Once you see the sun, that you'll wanna stay. You'll wanna stay.
angazi ngizomthini emakhelwane usuke efentini we oh mame langomakhelwane ngisukela ayibo mame langomakhelwane ngitinyela angazi ngizomthini oyena ukhipha indaba zami estradini angazi ngizomthini omakhelwane usuke efentini wemakhelwane awuyeki indaba zabantu wemakhelwane ungana nobomi bami wena wemakhelwane awuyeki indaba zabantu wemakhelwane ungana nobomi bami wena wemakhelwane awuyeki indaba zabantu wemakhelwane ungana nobomi bami wena wemakhelwane awuyeki indaba zabantu wemakhelwane awuhlukana nobomi bami wena.
It was so blindingly obvious we didn't work, but we wanted to give it a try. Thought we owed ourselves more time. But you can't put off the end, it keeps coming back again. Nobody want nothing from you till you got something to give. Where were you when I was still questioning if I wanna Wait till it's too late. Yeah. Why would you wanna have any way? I shouldn't have to say. You see the sun, but you'll wanna stay. You'll wanna stay.